Okay, I'm going to show you how to install WSL for Windows. Now, the first thing what you want to do is go down to the bottom and type in PowerShell and bring that up. And then you want to type in WSL hyphen, well, with a space, then hyphen install. Now, this will install a default operating system, which is Ubuntu, and it'll also install all the packages that is needed for WSL. Now you can just press enter and you'll get 1 or 2 warning signs. Just hit yes and watch it install, or grab a coffee or tea. So see you soon when it's finished installing. Okay, now it's finished installing everything. What you want to do is restart your system. So go ahead and restart, and I'll see you again shortly. Okay, so you have restarted your PC, and this box has appeared. What you need to do now is wait some more, and I'll see you again shortly. Okay, so now everything has been installed and everything's sorted, the last thing you need to do is put in a username, what you remember, and the password, and you're pretty much sorted. So I hope you found this useful. Subscribe, rate, and comment, and see you again in the future. Bye!